So day 15, I spent the morning in Kaikoura Kiwi Camp cooking myself some brekkie and having some coffee with a beautiful view. Then I head to Basically it was just thermal pools. It was like a spa day. They give you robes and everything. I thought it was very fancy. And this was the gorgeous zoo view. I don't know what is with me tonight. Anyway, so it was actually a really hot day, and being in these thermal pools in the sun, it was, yeah, definitely could get heat stroke in like 30 minutes. So I definitely spent the majority of the time in here, and whatever shade I could find, as you can see here. Then this is the bar. This is where you can order food and drinks. I got myself a Bailey's drink and loaded wedges. So this had chicken, barbecue sauce, sour cream, a bunch of other stuff too. It was really yummy. Great lunch by the pool with a view. And then I did a cold plunge to end it. Regretted that. And then I saw these stepping stones as I left the facility, and I was like, yeah, nah, I gotta do it. Felt like a little kid. And then I headed to Aokura. I did stargazing this night, so I had a little nap before I went. So this stargazing event started at like 10 PM, so I had myself a V, watermelon candy, yum yum. Alrighty guys, so it is 1 AM. We finished the stargazing tour at 12:30 AM. It went for 2.5 hours instead of an hour and a half, so that was fun. It was really good. Just to be out stargazing. I enjoyed it so much. And he had the exact same smart telescope that I had, so the majority of the photos that he took I already have in my gallery, but there is a photo that he did take that he'll be sending to us tomorrow, so I will upload that whenever I get it. I'm in Aokura at the moment, freedom camping just for the night, and then tomorrow I'll be going to Christchurch, hanging out there, just seeing what there is to offer in Christchurch, and then from there I'll be going to Lake Tekapu, I don't know, I can't pronounce it, where I'll be hanging out there for a little bit, and then there's a caravan park not far from there that I'm staying at for the next 2 to 3 nights. So yeah, I'll try my best to update you guys tomorrow, but no promises because it is going to be a busy driving day. I'm tired. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to sign out. Alright, good night peeps. So this is the smart telescope I was talking about. I have the exact same one, and it basically just stacks images on top of each other in 10-second intervals to produce these images. It can take anywhere up to an hour to stack these images or less. But yeah, that was pretty cool. Thought I'd just pop them in anyway. And then this is the photo he took of you guys separately. Not the most flattering angle of photos being taken of me, but that's okay. It was alright. I'm just happy that this photo was taken. So he does this for the whole group. He had chairs out and free tea and coffee and blankets. It was a really great experience. I enjoyed myself. Unfortunately, this night the moon was out and it was quite bright, so it washed out the majority of the stars that you would actually see. So not only did he use the Seastar S50, he also used this Saxon 16-inch. It gives you like a live view of some stars or planets that are nearby. It is a manual tracker though, so you don't just put in your coordinates and it tracks where it is. You've got to find it yourself, and that can be the trickiest thing with manual telescopes. I recommend the S50 Seastar though, smart tracker. That is amazing telescope. But yeah, this was all for day 15. I gotta say, it was a pretty good damn day. And I'll see you guys for day 16.